Nie ruszaj siatki. Nie dotykamy siatki. Bang! Nikt nie wejdzie do Polski, jasne? Bang! Nie wchodzi. Weź ją.
Now we are in the borderline between Poland and Belarus. We want to go Poland, but they don't let us. And we are in the forest and it's very cold and it's raining. We cannot build a fire. We have children here. They will be dead in the morning, really. And we need help. And it's very cold. My wife is sick. We need help. We want to go Poland. Tell them. They don't let us. They said if I go to Poland, they will hit me or they will kill me. Really. I'm going to Poland, maybe Germany, maybe somewhere to have a good life. That's why I left my country. I need to have a better life. I need to have a good life.
We get stuck.
We are stuck here. We are stuck here. We need help. We cannot live here. It's not like 5,000 years before. It's 2021. We need help. We cannot live here. It's raining. It's getting cold. Right? We need help. We cannot stay here. Please tell Poland. Tell all the world. We need help. We cannot stay here. We have children here. They are all sick. They will be dead tomorrow. Maybe next 2 days they will be dead.
Na